Hello, this video is going to show you how to set up your paper in MLA format. I have some text already in the document because you're going to be reformatting your paper based on the draft that you've already written. So what you need to start by doing is highlighting all of the text that's in your draft. Okay. Then from here you can make sure that you have everything formatted correctly. So first of all, we have to make sure our font is Times New Roman 12 point. And then we need to make sure that our text is double spaced. So we go into paragraph, we look at spacing, and we select double. And then this is a step that a lot of people miss. Your before and after both need to be set at 0 point. If they're not, then you're going to get a little bit of extra space between the lines every time you press enter, and you don't want this. Okay, so now that my text is set up correctly, I need to add my header, my heading, and my title. So to do my heading, I need to first of all make sure that my text is aligned all the way to the far left side of the page. So my heading is my name, my teacher's name, my class, English 3, and the date that the assignment is due. So your assignment is due on Monday, March 31st. MLA format requires that the day precedes the month when you're listing a date. So we will write 31 March 2014. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now I'm going to write my title. My title should be centered. It should not be bolded, underlined, italicized, nothing like that, just plain old text. So I'm just going to put this in as a placeholder. Obviously, your title should be creative, should relate to the argument that you're making, so make it cool. The last thing that I need to include is my header. So to get into the header, I need to double click at the top of the page. All right. Now, when you do this, your header is actually, your cursor is going to be aligned on the left side of the page. We need it to be on the right-hand side. The other thing that you will need to do is change your font back to Times Roman 12 point, because the font goes back to the default in the header. Okay, so now that I have my font right, I need to type in my last name, and then I need to press spacebar so I have a space between my last name and my page number. Now, if I were just to type in 1 for my page number, every single page would say Dickinson 1, and I don't want that. I actually want to insert my page number. So I'm going to click in the Insert tab, all the way to, well, kind of on the right-hand side, I'm going to find page number. I'm going to select current position, meaning that we'll insert the page number where my cursor is, and then plain number. I do that, I have Dickinson 1, and I click out, and we're good. So, and you'll notice that if I were to go all the way down to the second page, it says Dickinson 2. So after you type your paper, you make sure everything's formatted correctly, the last thing you have to do is copy and paste your works cited page into your research paper document. So make sure you watch the video that shows you how to export your sources from Noodle Tools to a Word document, and keep in mind that your works cited page should be on its own page. So you don't want to copy and paste your works cited page, to the bottom half of page 4, because your paper ends halfway down page 4. Start a new page and then copy and paste your works cited page into that new page.